tomorrow for that kind of activity, and the haze is gone.
Gunk is gone.
Yay.
That's because the winds are blowing actually 40, 50 miles per hour at the mountaintop level. 4 inches of snow now, new snow at Snow Basin, 2 to 4 inches around Alta and up the Cottonwoods. When all is said and done, about 4 to 8 inches of snow in the mountains. The valleys generally 1 to 2 and benches 2 to 4. We've already had about that much snow in most areas. Bottom line is, it's still snowing. Let's go to Live 5 Vortex and we'll go into Provo. And I want you to look as the snow is moving through Provo. This is why we've had so many problems. It continues to snow right now. And remember, Vortex is looking at about 20,000 feet above the ground here. So it's really seeing the tops of the clouds, and the precipitation is heavy where you see it in Provo, and will continue for about another 3 or 4 hours. Winding down a little bit the snowfall in the Salt Lake Valley. As we move into Davis County, though, some moderate snow is falling from Farmington to Layton up towards Clearfield. Snow still falling in North Ogden and around the Ogden area. There is a back edge, though, you can see near Perry. And we move out a little bit, you can see Logan starting to taper off. So the snow really ending from north to south. Probably in the next 2 hours in Ogden and in the next 4 hours in Provo. The problem is the ground is frozen. Anything that has fallen is sticking, and that means that we are going to see icy roads in the mornings. Bridges, overpasses, on and off ramps, and secondary roads will be slick. 3.5 inches of snow in Brigham City. Dennis Tolman reporting in. Eden picking up 4 inches. Logan 2 inches of snow. Moab today a high of 32. Has been cold over in the Moab and Arches area for sure the last little while. 2 inches of snow in Ogden, 34 the high there. 36 in Provo, an inch of snow so far, another inch on the way. St. George, Larry Matthews says 53 today. What snow? Beautiful day in southern Utah. This is the back edge right here of the storm, and mainly because it's a northwest flowing storm and because temperatures are still below freezing, we continue to have very icy road conditions. And eastern Utah, you're out of the main storm zone because the flow is coming in from the northwest. It downslopes into the Uinta Basin. It downslopes down into the Price area. So really the Wasatch Front taking the brunt of this storm as the cold front moves by. We have a little break in the action tomorrow morning. We'll actually be below freezing for the morning commute again. So that's where your problem is going to be. As this front moves eastward, the snow will taper off about 2 a.m. We get a little break in the morning. There's a little weak disturbance that moves by north of us on Saturday, so clouds will come and go, but I'm more concerned about this storm for the mountains because it will be so warm on Sunday. When this comes in, it'll actually rain. It'll rain in the valleys on Sunday and snow heavily in the mountains Monday as well. Let's look at the forecast area by area. This storm system winding down quickly. It does not have much of an impact across eastern Utah. The one thing that it will do as the cloud cover moves by, it'll keep you a little warmer tonight than you have been. That means it'll be a little warmer tomorrow in some places. Now, 40 in Cedar City, 41 in Beaver. Teens overnight. Snow mainly Nephi northward, Scipio Summit northward. I don't expect it to get very far south. And St. George, I talked about the warm weather. Beautiful 50s for the next 2 days, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. Right there in the 50s for you folks. 59 on Monday. That's incredible. All right, the snow tonight, tomorrow morning, tapering off. You can see, though, we start this weather map in the morning and we continue it through the day. So cold enough for some snow showers to linger across far northern Utah, but mainly morning snow if there is any left over, and especially along the northern Wasatch Front. Notice I have green on the map for Sunday, Monday. Rain, snow mix Sunday, snow Monday, a few snow showers Tuesday and Wednesday, but every single one of those days right there except for Thursday, above freezing.
Above freezing.
Yeah,
and
but St. George looking pretty good right now.
That's right. We haven't been above freezing since December 29th.
Yeah.
You're looking up.
Aware of that.
Thank you, Dan.